up security chatter about a disturbance on the roof. That'd be us. Deal with the guards however you need to.
Hey, dickhead,
Cut the power to one of the elevator shafts up here. Then, use your zip line to get down into the building.
Got it.
What was that noise?
Check it. Guard.
Thought I heard something.
Looks like we're taking the market by force. I can do hostage negotiations if you tie down some civilians.
It's all done.
You're clear to head down.
Go down!
You can use an on-site broker firm to short the companies back in Concord. No money, no treaty. Let's use the Jordan Investments office. More cops on the way. They're in 30 seconds.
I found the right one.
I
Don't
need to
make me
scan for
knock
a
you
computer
down.
with trade clearance. Hold on.
Another partner in crime.
This computer is our best bet. Hack in.
Easy does it.
Get ready. Here they come.
We're gonna be best friends. Lights out for the zapper! You're going nowhere.
Fucking unreal! The authenticator wants some transaction numbers to finish logging in. They should be printed out around the office. Get looking.
Here's one.
Concord. We just need to get them on the market. Snag an access key from a booth on the trading floor.
No neighbor, no problem. Face up! Lights out for the zapper!
Setting up overkill delivery. Downloading the credentials as we speak. Won't be long.
Shit! Goddamn neighbor!
Download's finished.
Kill the neighbor!
Don't forget the access key.
Drop the shield! That's what I've been looking for! Zapper's fucked!
The exchange regulators
Time
can't
figure
block
is
our
better.
trades if we upload the data through their system.
Kill
You can
the
do this from the
fucking
transfer
shield.
control room. The door's locked, so get drilling. Your drill works fast, but a red key card would work even faster.
We got a zapper here! Put down the zapper! Shield is dead!
Nicely done, people. Now take a moment to regroup and be ready when they
No
come back.
neighbor, no problem.
Police assault incoming. 30
Drill's
seconds.
finished. Final.
Insert your access key into
You know
the
what
transfer
to do,
console.
dickhead. Get in!
Watch out, they've got cloakers.
Computer's unlocked!
The exchange will trigger circuit breakers if the market fluctuates too much. We don't like that. Get the override codes for the breakers on screen, then bring them back to transfer control.
Fucked up the closer!
The breaker code is
Wasted
encrypted.
the zap!
Won't take me long.
Exit
Cops
spot
are
for
bringing in
good!
sabotage specialists. Take that
Drop the
threat.
shield!
Just say the word. I'm sending in the big guns for
One
pickup.
less shield! Okay, I'm killing everything! I fucked up the poker!
Overkill weapons prepped and ready. More cops on the way. They're in 30 seconds. The cops are sending in bulldozers. Get your game faces on. There it is! Input the code and transfer control. You've done some good damage. Shut down the market now, or hold out for more money. They deployed the hostage rescue team. Concord's officially fucked. Ha, let's make sure he stays that way. Eject our access key, then pick up the EMP we had stashed. You can use it to shut down the exchange. Houston is down.
Hey, I got armor here! A fucking bulldozer! Grab the shield! Took care of the nade! It's a cloaker! Cloaker is ghosted! One less shield!
They shut down the market from the outside. No problem. We got what we came for.
Alright, all done! Lights out for the zapper! I'm starting!
Back online.
Now we're cooking with
Locke
fucking
said Payday
gas!
upgrades were worth it. He was right. Guess they ran out of cops. But don't get too comfortable. They'll be back. They're coming in 30 seconds. Get ready.
Found one. Fucker is ghosted! Christ on a shit stick.
I won't be able to come any closer until you guys clear the pickup zone.
Remember, we planned for this. Assemble the parts we brought for the transmitter, then use it to rotate that crane nearby. Once you get to another roof, Vile can pick you up. Sending in the weapon now.
Took down the zapper! I found it!
Keep an eye out. Hostage rescue is on the scene.
Check the goddamn later.
Armor on me! Sniper kill! Now this is a part of it! Shit! It's over! I'm fucking bleeding!
Christ, Houston is down.
It's doing its thing!
Don't let the cops mess with the transmitter. You're almost home free.
Kill the fucking shield!
Just picked up a transmission. The cops are about to launch a final assault.
Kill the Nader! Stop working! Taser!
Transmitter's down. Get it back online.
Lights out for the zapper! That cloaker is gone!
Somebody get on it.
Shield is
Transmitter
dead!
lost connection. Fix it fast.
Can someone kick the hardware into gear? It's a goddamn horror. I took out the sniper! Fuck
Cops
yeah!
are not
One
regrouping
ghoster
anymore.
left!
They'll keep coming until you're dead or in custody.
I can't stay down as long as there are cops around.
Fuck me! Piece of shit equipment froze
Transmitter's
up!
down. Get it back online.
Hey! Fix the fucking hardware!
Watch that man!
No nigger, no prob. I got the techie. Strap the shield.
Cops will keep
Kill
coming.
the
The
fucking
transmitter
shield.
lost connection. Fix it fast.
We need to get that hardware running. Bleeding taser.
Overkill weapons ready when you are.
Bulldozer!
Got a problem with the hardware.
We got cops fucking with the transmitter.
Can someone kick the hardware into gear? Big ass dozer! It's a fucking bulldozer. Got a ham in a can. The shield is dead.
Get across to the other roof. And for fuck's sake, don't fall.
Alrighty, I'm starting to land. Almost there. Just dodging a rat in the sky.
Change has gone down.
They're shooting at me. I gotta go real soon.
You're out and in the clear.
Now that was a show. I have a feeling this heist will go down in history.